Hey guys, it's Turtle here, and today, it's Bonfire Night. It's Bonfire Night, and there's a massive fire. Thank you, Ben just walked straight in front of the camera.
Right, back in a sec, guys. I'm just going to see what the others are doing. Huh? Oh, little
Look, it's orange in real life, but on the camera, and normally it looks orange, but on the camera, the reason it looks orange in real life and on the camera it looks white is because I haven't got a very good camera at all. It's rubbish, it's crap. So I do apologise about that. Anyway guys, happy Bonfire Night. Hope you enjoy your fireworks and the fire.
I've got sticks in.
And guys, if you can hear massive bangs in the background, it's probably because of fireworks. Looks really cool. Happy Bonfire Night.